Qualification match number 12 officially underway here on the Curie division. We've got game pieces being scored for both of these alliances. 3 pieces of coral up on the level 3 for the Blue Alliance. 44-22 looks like they wanted to put a piece of coral up into the barge. For red, they've got their hands on a piece of algae and they'll try to go score that as we move into our teleoperated period. Robots are going to come alive as the students are going to take control this time. 44-22, the Twisted Angels are going to make their way on over to drop off another piece of coral for the Red Alliance. 30-61, the Mighty Machine from Naperville dropping off another piece of algae up into the barge. Red Alliance Machine of 469 Las Gorillas looking to do the same. 3 Red Alliance robots up in the air. 3 Red Alliance robots scoring a piece of algae. Layup after layup. The Red Alliance is going to maintain a lead of 1 point. The Blue Alliance is going to take that right back and go back up to a score of 76, courtesy of the coral being scored on the Blue Alliance reef. On the Blue Alliance side of the field, 31-75, racing on up, drop off a piece of algae, just missing their layup. They'll have plenty of time to go return that up in the air as well. We are back and forth, but looks like Blue Alliance has maintained the lead, but Red Alliance ain't gonna let that happen. They're gonna score another piece of algae, try to play some catch up and take the lead right back. Only 1 point separates these two teams, still in favor of Blue. The Red Alliance is gonna try to score another piece of algae up into the barge and narrow that gap. Our rookies, 10-5-18, deep in Red Alliance territory, looking to slow them down just a little bit, but they're still within striking distance. A piece of coral being scored on level 4, courtesy of 30-61, is worth 5 points. They're going to try to narrow that gap. Only 1 more piece of coral scored on level 4 is going to make it a tie game with 45 seconds left to go. We're going to go game piece for game piece, match for match. Looks like the Blue Alliance has a couple of empty spaces on level 4 for 5 points apiece. Red Alliance has a couple less, but they'll try to fill up their reef just as quickly. Algae filling up the Red Alliance barge with a slight advantage for 9 pieces. Blue Alliance only has 4, but Red Alliance is trailing slightly in terms of the coral game. That means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to have to make a decision whether they will go to climb or go to fill their reef. It's up to them on what they want to do for their strategy. Looks like the Red Alliance is going to try to surface towards the air. 75-47 is going to race themselves on up. That's super duper robotics. As we wind down here, match number 12 is going to expire. We'll be back with your official, the Blue Alliance, taking home the win with a score of 192-168. A very hard-fought match on either side of the field. Blue Alliance walking home with all 6 ranking points. Red Alliance not going home empty-handed. They got 1 for the barge and 1 for the auto as well.